And you've said that you're the ultimate item boy has arrived, and Katrina सबके आप मतलब
Time for them to pack up. Seriously, time for them to pack up.
I hate you like I love you, love you, love you.
Tribute to the disco era. Mithunda ruled, and I've always been a big fan of Mithunda. Govinda is a great dancer. Amit ji had done a number of them. Rishi sir has done quite a few. Bappi Da used to, create some amazing songs. Mithunda were to see the song, and he passes the song. Then for me, that I feel that I've really done something. Govinda sees the song and says, "Yaar Amir, bada maza aaya tujhe dekhkar."
I hate you like I love you. ये क्या होता है exactly? How can you? This is a contrast.
I hate you like I love you.
Shake it for me. Yeah.
Shake that biscuit, baby. Shake it for me. Yeah!
जो चौका उड़ते हुए जाए उसे छक्का कहते हैं. Shake that biscuit for me, shake it for me. This is Amir Khan. He's enjoying himself like never before in I Hate You Like I Love You from Delhi Belly. He's with Bollywood Hungama right now. Wonderful to have you back on Bollywood Hungama first of all.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
जो चौका उड़ते हुए जाए उसे छक्का कहते हैं.
Enjoying yourself big time.
Well, I had a great time. I really have to say I really enjoyed myself doing the song, and I'm enjoying it, really presenting it to all of you guys and to my audience. I really had great fun doing the song. I think it's a great song. And the character of Disco Fighter is an amazing, he's an amazing chap, and I really enjoyed playing him.
I hate you like I love you.
I hate you like I love you. ये क्या होता है exactly? How can you? This is a contrast.
There is a scene in the film where these lines are explained. So I want to save it up for the film. Right. But it's a song. I mean, you have to see the film for that. It's difficult to explain without that. So the song is about how I hate you like I love you. Right. That's also an emotion. That's all I can say.
I hate you like I love you. I hate you like I love you, love you, love you.
When we interviewed you for Dhobi Ghat, you had said that there was a certain scene with Monica Dogre, but you couldn't possibly do it because Kiran was directing you. And
that was more as a joke, really.
Fantastic. But here it's like absolute full-on stuff, like with all the girls, and it's magic over there.
Well, yeah, I mean it's a great song. It's it's like a tribute to the disco era, which was the 80s when Mithunda ruled, and I've always been a big fan of Mithunda.
Right.
Govinda is a great dancer, and he did some amazing disco numbers.
Right.
Amit ji had done a number of them. I remember Rishi sir has done quite a few. These are all the great dancers of the 80s, the disco era, as we call it. And so this song really, and Bappi Da used to create some amazing songs for that, has created some amazing songs. Sure. In that disco period.
Any reference point in terms of songs?
Well, no specific reference, no specific reference, but it is certainly taken from that era, from different moments, whether it's the costume, whether it's the look, whether it's the hairstyle, whether it's the dancing style, whether it's the attitude, whether it's dance steps, whether it's the even the sets, Right. All of it is reflective of that era, and so in that sense, it's a tribute and or an ode to that period.
You're being called a perfectionist, and you love outdoing, I think, all the competition and all. When we see you doing those pelvic thrusts, it seems like Govinda, Elvis Presley, सबको पीछे छोड़ दूंगा. That is a sentiment.
No. I think the names you're taking are legends, as performers.
I'm saying in the context that no inhibitions.
No inhibitions, yeah. Certainly no inhibitions, and I tried my level best to get anywhere close to them. In fact, I mean, I would go so far as to say that if Mithunda were to see the song and if he passes the song, then for me that I feel that I've really done something. Right. Or Govinda sees the song and says, "Yaar Amir, bada maza aaya tujhe dekhkar." Then I feel that we've really achieved what we set out to. Yeah.
And you've said that you're the ultimate item boy has arrived, and Katrina सबके आप मतलब अभी सिर्फ आमिर खान के बारे में बात हो रही है.
Time for them to pack up. Seriously, time for them to pack up.
Did you really approach Katrina and all these people that you mentioned today in the press conference?
No, I was kidding. I think we always had in mind that the character of disco dancer would be the guy who would be doing the item song, and so we had decided fairly early in life that I would be doing the song. There were rumors flying around as to who would do it, and I didn't stop the rumors. I let you guys speculate.
I believe you've done some special effects or something for your mustache, because
Yeah, we had to get rid of the mustache, so we managed that quite delicately.
something about Delhi Belly, if you can possibly say that, the entire hoopla that, in fact, I interviewed one of the top directors recently, and he said that Delhi Belly first like बहुत ही hot picture लग रही है.
Well, I mean, I hope that people like it. We've really enjoyed making the film. We had a ball making the film. It's a new kind of genre film that we don't get to see coming out of Indian cinema. So I'm looking forward to seeing, how the audience reacts, especially the youth. This film is really aimed at the youth, and I'm very keen to see how they react to this film. It's a very mad kind of a comedy, and we've really enjoyed making it. I also feel that the director and the entire team, Abhinay, has managed to make what we set out to, what we handed him as a script to make. He's really made that really well, and all of us are really happy with the film. So I'm looking forward to seeing how people like it, how the kids of today like it.
I hate you like I love you, love you, love you.
I Hate You Like I Love You. If you can briefly talk about the technical team of this entire thing, the choreographer, the costumes, the music director Ram Sampath, and I believe the lyrics have been written by Akshat Verma, the scriptwriter of the film.
That's correct. Ram Sampath has, of course, done the all of the songs, and this is one of my favorite songs of the film. I think his entire album of Ram is really outstanding, and in him we see a new star which is born. That is my prediction. I really feel that he's going to go a long way with this starting with this film. Akshat has written some beautiful lyrics and really zany stuff in this song. Bosco has done the choreography. Of course, Abhinay has directed the film and the song. Bosco has done the choreography and shot the song. And Niharika has done the costumes for this song. Anusha has got a lovely energy and lovely vibe. I think she and I shared the same sense of fun and abandon with which we approached this song. So it was really fun working with her, and actually she plays a character in the film.
Sure, that's what you tell me.
And so the way she's pulled off her character is really amazing to see. I mean, it's a small role, but it's a role that you would remember. I think she's done it really well, and with a lot of spunk, with a lot of lovely energy that she has about her. She's a wonderful actress. She's hit the nail on the head, in terms of touching the right key for the performance, and she's done a great job.
I've been listening to this song, I Hate You Like I Love You, as I told you, on iPod on a repeat mode. And when you say that current marti hai, one visualizes when you listen to a song again and again. And when you see the visuals, I think it's spot on.
Well, I'm happy to hear that. I'm really happy to hear that. Thanks.
Hi, current Marti. Hi, current Marti.
Finally, could you please sing any line from the film, from this song particularly, if possible?
Well, let me not sing the song. Let me just say the line.
Sure.
Shake that biscuit, baby. Shake it for me. Yeah. Shake that biscuit, baby. Shake it for me. Yeah.
Shake that biscuit, baby. Shake it for me. Yeah!
That was Amir Khan. He's just launched this item song, I Hate You Like I Love You, where he's acting. After, I think, a long time, we are seeing you just enjoying yourself like never before. It's total entertainment from start to finish. We're really looking forward to Delhi Belly and all your future ventures, and just keep on entertaining everyone like this. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah!